Name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
I ain't giving to them ass, I don't lend my body. Gotta be king status to get in my body. Gotta be king status to get in your body. Fuck yeah, cause a queen is what I embody.
Hey everyone, my face hurts. If you were here, if you watched the previous video, then you'll understand why my face hurts. For this video, I'm going to do a Phoenix look, only because I love Fox. And I had this picture that I downloaded a couple months ago. I was supposed to do a collab with the girl on Instagram, but for some reason it didn't happen, and she also blocked me. No idea why, but whatever. So that collab never happened. So I've been sitting on this picture and I'm like, I want to do a look with it. I have this palette now with these beautiful colors. This says Gryffindor to me. So I'm going to do a Phoenix look inspired by this picture, and I'm going to use the entire lit bundle. I'm going to use everything that came with the bundle. Let's see how this goes. I don't know why I even tied my hair up and put this on at this point, because for some reason I brushed so hard that there's still gonna be foundation there. But anyways, the first thing we're going to do is take the shade from this palette or whatever and set this concealer and primer. So this shade right here on my Morphe E14 brush. Now, I said for this look I'm going to use the entire lit collection. I am. However, for this one particular part, I'm going to need a white base. So I'm going to take this liquid lipstick and carve out my base. I know what you're thinking. Aren't you gonna put foundation on? Actually, for this look, I'm not gonna put foundation on, except for here, not up here, because everything that goes on up here, there would be like, it would be pointless to put foundation on. My eyebrows are gonna hate me, but that's okay. And I know people are like, but you put that on your lips. I actually don't use this as a lipstick. I use it for everything else but my lipstick, so. I mean, would you ever see me walking around with white lips anyway? Probably not. Now that I have the base part done, I'm going to go into the shade Like. I'm going to do like swift movements with this brush I got from AliExpress to make feathers. On that same brush, in the same spot, I'm going to take the blush in the shade Ooh She's Blushing. This is a part of the lip bundle. It's this. It's the perfect Phoenix red, in my opinion. Ooh, baby. same brush, I just cleaned it off. Going to go into the shade Cleo Amore, not sure how I pronounce it, but I'm going to go into that and add detailing in this area, and like here I'm going to carve out the yellow here, if that makes sense. Next, I'm going to take the shade Mercy, which is this one, and right under that yellow shade and down. Then I'm going to take two shades, one after the other. First Cleo Amore, and then the shade She Got Money. I'm going to put them where I did not put any of the Mercy shade. So now I'm going to go, and I'm going to put foundation here. Then I'll come back and finish the rest of this look. So clearly I have powder on my face. While this powder is setting, I'm going to just go ahead and add detail here. Which is why I didn't put any foundation there. I added some concealer to hide my unibrow. And then I put powder over the concealer. But once this is all together, it won't matter that there's concealer there. This is such a pretty blush. I'm gonna go back into the Cleo Amore shade to add detail here and here and here time to carve out the lower lash line, going still into that red shade, Mercy. So I just took, I don't know why I didn't do it on camera, but I just took this white liquid lipstick and put it here, and I'm going to add a highlight on top once this dries. But while we're waiting for that to dry, it's time to contour. For this look, I'm going to contour with this blush instead of just using it as a blush on a brush I bought here in Korea from Innisfree, which is actually a blush brush, but I'm going to use it to contour. Being that this is my most yellowest highlighter without it being too gold, this is the Uranus from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm going to use that to put here, here, a little bit here, a little bit here, and then on top of this. So I've added lashes, which these are from Volve Cosmetics in the number, I can't remember the number, but the name is Chic Lady. I want to say it's number 6. And I also added some gold dots to this look. Now we're going to go into the Glitterly Obsessed in She Lit, which is, if you haven't seen it, it's this one. Hopefully my ring light isn't blinding anybody. I'm going to apply this right here. Now, I previously stated that I'm going to be using the lip products, but I'm not going to use the gloss. Instead, I'm going to use this gold metallic lip from ColourPop in PYT, which this is my favorite gold lipstick ever. I put it on a brush, paintbrush, to put the dots here. So I have gold dots now, and this glitter. If I'm blinding you guys, I am so sorry. But let's do this lip. I'm going to be using Dukes as my lip liner, Wig as the lip, and then I'm going to do a decoration on my lip with this shade, or with this metallic lip. And I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to take that shade Mercy first and put that on top of my lip. I'm going to take, on the same brush, opposite side of course, the shade She Got Money and plop it in just the center. I have never felt more mythical or magical in my entire life. This is, I surprised myself. Ooh. This is giving me so much life though, like, holy crap. Where was this at on Halloween? What was I doing? Oh, I was depressed. But yeah, anyway, this is everything. I like it. I love it. I'm living for it. I can't believe I did this. Yo. I need to do more looks like this. I think on the weekends from now on, since I'm feeling better, mentally and emotionally, not physically, mentally and emotionally feeling better, I'm going to just do stuff like this. Let me know in the comments. What else would you like to see? It could be a creature, it could be an animal. You know, we just gonna have fun with this makeup, with these palettes, with all this glitter. I'm living for this. Oh, this is so pretty. I should go outside like this. I should just leave it on. By the way, I don't think I mentioned in my last video, but in this video, I will mention it. If you're wondering like why her eyes look different, like I ordered 2 pairs of prescription lenses, and I wanted to try these out, see how they would look. And with this look, they look perfect, but I look kind of scary. I look a little scary. These are from TTDI, and this is their, not Polar Lights, this is their something gray. I can't remember, and I threw all the stuff in the trash. So yeah, I'll leave it in the description if you want it. That's it for this video. You got 2 videos in one day. 2 crazy looks in one day. Who is she? Anyway, that's it. Gonna take some pictures. I like this so much. I will see you on Monday. Bye.